Hello iPhone users. So if you want a subscription for WhatsApp Plus, you need to go to WhatsApp, go to the U section, and there is the first option of subscription. You tap on WhatsApp Plus, upgrade your messaging experience, and are the mentioned WhatsApp Plus features that you're gonna get. So the first one is send exclusive stickers. So upgrade your messaging experience with new sticker packs. You will get stickers. Choose a custom app icon. So you're gonna choose a custom app icon to make your app feel more unique and stand out. The next is apps theme. You're gonna get new colors option that update your messages icon and background. So themes is what you're gonna get. Then exclusive ringtones. So variety of new ringtones that can help you stand out with unique sounds. Other is upgrade your chat list. So organize your chats and stay on top of what matters most with enhanced lists. So chat list experience will be upgraded. Now you cannot pin chat in iPhone, right? But here you can pin more chats, not just three but more chat tabs, so that you can easily find it easily, right? So these are all the features that you get when you buy the WhatsApp Plus, which is 79 rupees in India every month, right? You can cancel it anytime and you can get it. So these features are plus. It means they are not just the normal WhatsApp things but upgraded version of that. So a plus to every feature of icon, sticker, theme, ringtone, chat list, etc. Right? See you in the next video where we can explore more about WhatsApp. Tada!